Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Sign into your Apple ID and confirm the device passcode because Face ID resets require authentication. Once done, connect the iPhone X to a Mac or PC with the latest iTunes or Finder and ensure it stays charged above 50%. Make a full backup to iCloud or to the computer. This preserves data if you must restore. After backing up, you'll put the phone into DFU mode to force a clean iOS install. Don't skip the backup step. Now perform a DFU restore. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the screen goes black. Continue holding side while you press volume down for 5 seconds, then release side and keep holding volume down until the computer detects an iPhone in recovery. In iTunes or Finder, choose Restore. This reinstalls iOS cleanly. Once the restore finishes, set up the phone, preferably as new to rule out software issues, and then attempt to re-enable Face ID in Settings under Face ID and Passcode. Finish by setting up Face ID. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and follow the on-screen face scans slowly and fully so true depth can calibrate. If Face ID is still disabled after a DFU restore and fresh setup, it's almost certainly a hardware issue. Don't attempt third-party motherboard or sensor fixes. Make an appointment with Apple or an authorized service provider. And remember, using a non-authorized screen replacement can break Face ID. So insist on authorized repair to restore true depth functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.